In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your dates in a database in Calendar View in Notion. This is a really handy technique when managing a table filled with dates and you want a more visual representation, like a calendar view. So, let's jump right in. First, navigate to your database in Notion. If you're someone who loves using tables to organize schedules, projects, or any date-oriented data, you know how they can quickly get overwhelming when you have a lot of information packed in there. Being able to view these dates in a calendar can make a world of difference by giving you a bird's eye view of what's coming up. Now, take a look at the title of your database. You'll notice that when you hover your mouse over the database's title, a little plus sign appears right next to it. This plus sign allows you to add different views to your database. By clicking on it, you're one step closer to transforming that long list of dates into a neat and organized calendar format. Once you click on the plus sign, you'll be presented with a list of view options. Here, what you're looking for is the calendar option. Go ahead and select it. Almost instantly, you'll see the magic happen as your dates, which were previously lining up in a table, shift into a more visually appealing layout. This calendar view is an incredibly powerful feature because it aligns your dates in a monthly format, making it easier to spot patterns, overlaps, or free days at a glance. This is particularly useful if your dates are associated with tasks, events, or deadlines. It turns a potentially cluttered collection of data into something far more intuitive and insightful. Plus, in Calendar View, you can still click on each date entry to view the details or make quick edits, keeping your workflow seamless and integrated. A helpful tip is, if you're working with multiple people or projects, you can color code your entries or tag them within the database before you switch to the calendar view. This way, your calendar will not only be organized by date, but also visually distinct by category or importance. And there you have it, a simple yet incredibly effective way to manage and view your dates using Notion's calendar view. This method doesn't just make your database look nicer, it makes planning and managing your time much more straightforward. By adopting this little tweak in how you view your data, you could save yourself a great deal of time and hassle, leading to better planning and more efficient management of your tasks and deadlines. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it transforms how you organize your databases.